Hey there! Welcome to an exciting journey where your dreams of financial freedom can become a reality. Ever dreamed of making money while a millionaire does 99% of the work for you? Imagine living in that luxurious mansion you've always wanted. Sounds too good to be true, right? It's natural to be skeptical, but let me assure you, this is not just a fantasy. Well, stick around because I'm about to blow your mind. This opportunity is real, and it's changing lives every day. Imagine having access to a proven system, top-notch tools, and AI software that does all the heavy lifting. This isn't just any system, it's cutting-edge technology designed to maximize your success. Picture yourself being part of a supportive community with weekly live training and one-on-one mentoring from experienced pros. You'll never feel alone on this journey. Here's the best part. You don't need any technical skills or prior experience to get started. Yes, you heard that right. This program is designed for everyone, whether you're a complete newbie or have dabbled in affiliate marketing before. It's inclusive and accessible to all. The done-for-you approach means 99% of the work is already taken care of, including pre-made content, AI-generated videos, and a team to set everything up for you. You can focus on what matters most. Now you might be wondering about the time commitment. How much time do you need to invest to see results? All it takes is just 30 minutes a day to stay on track and launch your app within 30 days. That's right, just half an hour a day. Plus, you can work from anywhere using just your phone or computer. Flexibility at its finest. And let's talk money. Imagine working from a beach or a cozy cafe. While there are no guarantees, many students have reported earnings ranging from part-time to full-on job-replacing income. The potential is enormous. Imagine earning money without even showing your face or using your real name. Privacy? Check. Still skeptical? No worries, your anonymity is preserved. The program offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, you have nothing to lose. If you're not satisfied, you get your money back, no questions asked. It's a risk-free opportunity. Plus, their student success stories are super inspiring and show that this system really works. Concerned about technical skills? Don't be. If you can navigate to the free web class, you've got all the skills you need. It's that simple. The learning curve is minimal. And this program is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are as long as you have a stable internet connection. It's truly a global opportunity. So what are you waiting for? The time to act is now. Click the link in the description below to access a free training webinar that covers all the exciting details of this amazing program. Don't miss out on this chance. This could be the game changer you've been looking for. Imagine the possibilities. Don't miss out on this chance to make money while a millionaire does 99% of the work for you. It's an opportunity of a lifetime. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to hear about your success. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. See you at the top. Together, we can achieve greatness.